So to check those options, you can go to chat option. In live chat, you can check out how many messages has been run and how many customer has been active. So as I mentioned before, the contact name will be fetched here. So I have been saved the name as A1EI1, but here I got all the WhatsApp name which has been saved by the customer end. So here from your end you can also chat with the customer. So this is an you can see from an askeva user. So from customer user, I'm using it as in a customer point of view. So I'm just chatting with the askeva bot. So giving get started and using their buttons and table column which they have been provided. So I'm just going for a chat option. So I'm testing the bot how it works. So it will respond immediately whatever options you are giving. So based on the option which you have been selected, the response will be triggered. So these are the buttons which we have been talking about. So this is the suggestion chips we have been called. And here from askeva panel, you can see what messages has been sent by customer end. So you can also check it out how what are they talking and how the bot is responding and everything. See, the icon represent that bot has been responding to the customers. And here if you want to chat with the customer, we can also use this chat option where from the panel itself you can chat with the customer. See, you can see the contact is in active session. So once if I click this intervene option, it will move to intervene option to stop the interruption from the bot. So the bot will be inactive here and a human agent can be chat with the customer. So as an askeva user, I am typing a message to my customer by asking like, hi ma'am, how may I help you? So these messages will be displayed here and you can see the icon has been changed as a support icon. So this represents a human has been talking with the customer. And you can see I have got the messages from the panel. So I can also send image, video, document, audio, and the emojis can also be supported, which gives a positive response to the customers. So once the customer got enough information or their issue got resolved, you can just click on the resolved option. So this option can be used once the customer has been triggered the live agent. See, once again the contact has been moved to active session. Now if they want to interact with the human agent, they have to trigger again. So even if I send once again a customer point of view, if I send any messages, the bot will be responding here because the bot has been activated again. It comes under the active session. So you can see the messages here. Now this contact option will be available only up to 24 hours. So you can chat with the customer only the contact has been available in the live chat. Once the 24 hours completed, it will move to history option. You can check out what customer has been talking with the bot and you can check out how many contact has been there. But you cannot initiate a conversation unless you have an approved template. So you have to initiate a conversation with the customer only by using an approved template here.